welcome back to Research Circle. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about strategic sourcing software. Now when it comes to strategic sourcing, it is the process of gathering the information needed to make an informed decision about buying decisions. Unlike procurement software, strategic source is more closely related to the information gathering process which take place well before actual purchase are taken. So strategic sourcing software is an application that aids the business organization in gathering of information and strategy making necessary for strategic business decisions. Whereas procurement software is mostly are associated with the financial transactions of buying, strategic source software is focused on gathering the necessary information to make the intelligent and informed decision about buying. So it is crucial and comprehend the strategic to understand the strategic process and software in full. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about strategic software or strategic sourcing software. So first thing here is, what are the advantage of strategic sourcing software? It is before the advent of the new intelligent ERP solution, all the process was done by hand. So there is a lot of errors and risk in accounting, which isn't an ideal choice for any company by any means. So the future will see everything properly tracked and all the employees can track all the steps through an effective ERP solution. So all over the world today, the practice of managing the supply chain and procurement sector using strategic sourcing software is fairly common, and it is popular option for the users in the present. So strategic sourcing software can be used for various purposes. Now the next point is enhanced logic and enables precise strategic analysis. One of the major advantage of using strategic sourcing software for business decision making is that it enables decision logic and enables a more precise analysis of the requirements. For instance, if ERP vendors typically provide an ERP functionality with the specific modules, so however a business can choose and implement the ERP module on its own. Okay. The next point here is provide necessary functionality and knowledge. Strategic sourcing software provides the necessary functionality and knowledge required for the complete ERP implementation. It can also help the business organization to evaluate different design options and compare the cost and the benefits of the different design. The next point here is allow easy search and save time. Strategic sourcing software allows a business organization to easily search for the ideal suppliers and the vendor that best meets its requirements. This reduces the time spent searching for the suppliers and the vendors and increase the rate at which suppliers and the vendors respond to innovate from a prospective buyer. The next one is improved collaboration and help to make the decision. This we have already discussed, and this is the main advantage I must say of strategic sourcing software. Another advantages are data connection solutions. Okay, then customized software solution also available here. Then the next is negotiable and contracting. It is better to deal with your suppliers and also identify the financial mistakes and help to save the business from several financial crises. Then digitalizing the document. Now, strategic sourcing software will also convert all your documents into the digital format and will store them on the cloud. So the fear of many things has been reduced here, like if the misplace of any document of physical document, we can just avoid that. Another are an e-sourcing software enables users to, these are the various factors that enables users by this sourcing software. Okay. So also this is the strategic sourcing process software allows user to spend analysis, identify and analyze various suppliers offer, create an effective contact offer, develop and maintain effective supplier, and manage and monitor contact workflow. It also enables users to reduce the cost by automating the entire supply chain process, as this will boost the productivity and manufacturing, and will be seeing the more improve in your business. So concluding word, I must say, it is not enough to simply implement the ERP solution to use strategic sourcing software. It must be able to support uh, and operate in every type of environment. It should be able to serve as an enabler to boost your productivity of every type of business operations, from manufacturing to service and distribution. So I must say, this is the new concept and more complicated to understand. So if you want the more information, just you can just take the information from online sources. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will find this useful in any way. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe to Research Circle channel. Thank you so much.